Don't fall out, purse. Don't you fall out, bruh. All right, guys, if you know anything about me, you know I'm a sucker for marketing. And for today's Sunday shave, I thought I'd do something real quick and simple and highlight the fact that I am said sucker for marketing. And this is proof positive right here. Years ago, my boss came into work all excited about a new gadget he had bought, electric razor that cleaned itself, and he was telling me how great it was. And so I went to the store, and me being the sucker for marketing, I purchased this, the BRAUN 8000 series. I believe the product number is 8985. And if you look right here, there's a little image of the cleaning port repository, whatever you want to call it, that every night after you shave, you put this off into, and it did a full clean. Now, foil shavers and my skin, they've never worked out. But I was so jazzed about it, and he was such a good salesperson, that I went out and bought it. So I felt like, it's a rainy, just gloomy day here in New York. I figured I'd pull this out and do a throwback for you guys. Some of the features of this BRAUN, again, the self-cleaning mechanism, the foil, and it also has like a little trimming attachment there. So I'll give you a quick stroll down memory lane. Probably a bunch of you guys have had one of these or wanted one of these. As I've learned, whenever you're pulling out a foil shaver, electric shaver, you want to pull out your electric shave, the pre-shave solution that makes this kind of shave somewhat bearable. It's got a nice manly smell to it. So I'll put that on first. And get the skin ready to receive the foil. Didn't bother to read the directions. All right, this will be a quick shave for Sunday. Guys, let me know what you think of this. What's in your den? Do you have some of these old razors? Is there something that you'd like to see going forward? But let's go for it, all right? This is about a 3-day stubble right here. And I don't have a lot of problems on my face. It's really the neck that I'm hoping you won't see irritation right away. I'll tell you what, when I was a kid and really first shaving, and I tried the foil shavers, I was one of those guys, I was digging to try to get that, because you want that baby fine shave that you're used to with a blade. You're not going to get it with a foil shaver, guys, and you're only going to get irritation and just a lot of heartache if you're pushing hard on these things. So I've taken it nice and slow. It's not getting rid of the hair as well as I would like it, but you're gonna have to, just work at it. But here we go. All right, so for a first pass, I'm gonna have to say not half bad. No irritation because I'm not digging. If you can see here, I still have some hair. So if you're looking for that baby fine razor blade comparable shave, you know, the tendency is you're gonna be like digging and going across. It's not gonna happen with the foil shaver, guys. It's not gonna happen. All right, so let's tackle the neck. Now I don't want to push it. The neck is problematic with the foil shaver for me. I need multiple passes to really get to this, but in my experience with foil shavers, I will break out, and I'm already feeling a slight bit of irritation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my favorite Duke Cannons aftershave balm, ice cold, on just to soothe my skin a little bit post shave, and I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not going anywhere. Don't need to be totally buttoned up, and if you're looking for the Don Johnson look, you can certainly get it with the foil razor or shaver. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the walk down memory lane. Do you have this razor? Did you have it? What did you think of it? And I think I'm gonna go find something to eat. But in the meantime, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. You're gonna keep pushing play. Hopefully we still have our spot, Percy. No one took our spot. Hopefully no one took it.